welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I use my Shikakai powder as a shampoo. So Shikakai powder has been used for many years in India and Pakistan as a hair shampoo and has worked greatly. And it is filled with vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your hair, that helps to restore damaged hair and stop split ends. And also it also have antifungal properties which help when you have dandruff or any scalp related infection. So it's actually very good for hair, and it's very easy to make. So without talking further, I'm going to show you guys how to make your Shikakai powder mix for your hair. Alright guys, let's open it up. This is the Shikakai powder. So this pack, I actually bought it at my local Asia shop. You can buy it on Amazon, or your local Asia shop is also good for it. And it's about 100 grams of it. So you can also use Shikakai powder to make the Shikakai oil. If you like to see how to make that oil, please comment down below and I'll make it in another video. So for today's video, I'm going to use it as a natural hair shampoo. So you get a bowl and then you pour your Shikakai powder into it. So for this, depends on your hair length. For my hair length, I actually need like a lot of it, but it depends on your hair length and you want and how dirty your hair is. My hair was pretty dirty, so I used let me not lie, everything. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I used it. So I used I just got like a half of a cup of Shikakai powder and I put it into the bowl. 1 cup of water to the powder. That's how I'm going to be creating my mixture. But it depends on you. If you want it thicker, you add little cup, and if you want it lighter, then you add more water to it. So I'm going to be using this to wash my hair. So all I'm going to do now is to give it a stir to make sure none of it settled underneath. Just stir it very well so that you can use it for your hair. I'm not going to lie guys, it's going to be very messy, and make sure that you don't put it in your eyes because it's like it's sanding particles and you don't want any of it to get into your eyes. So when washing your hair, make sure you tilt your hair backwards and let the water run to your back than it's running to your front, so you don't get any of the stuff into your eyes. Guys, you have to be safe when you're using DIY products so that you don't get hot. Okay, so this is it guys. It's looking nice, and this is what I'm going to be using for washing my hair, and also it's good for cleaning your scalp and also good for detangling your hair. So I'm going to be showing you briefly how I use it in washing my hair. See you guys in the bathroom. So guys, I'm in my bathroom. Forget I'm looking really crusty right now. I've not washed my hair for 2 weeks. My hair is very dry. So let's see how effective the Shikakai powder is. So guys, look at this. This is my scrunchies. I made them a week ago and I have the video up. If you've not seen that video, please click on the link down below to watch it. Normally when my hair is this dry and I pull out my hair tie, couple of hair was going to come along with it, but with the scrunchies, because it's satin, it helps to prevent hair breakage. So it's really good that you know how to make your own scrunchies. So head over to that video and watch it. Like I said, my hair is really dry. It has been 2 long weeks. Good. All right, let's guys. So I'm going to start from the back. So let me take a bit up and start from the back. So I'm going to start from here. Can you see how dry my hair is? So I'm going to start with water, please, because I cannot help it. My hair has been neglected. So then now the Shikakai has been sitting for like an hour. So So I'm just going to stir it again with my hands there, and then apply it to the hair. Boom, bum 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 bum, bum 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 bum. It's going to be so messy. That's why I'm in the bathroom. Bum 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 bum. Wow. So subito. Oh, sorry. Subito. Oh my God, Italian. So immediately you can see it's detangling my hair really well. Really, really well. You see, my hair was really, really hard, but I can see some coils forming from the Shikakai powder. So it's doing a good job with detangling. And since it helps cleansing the scalp, and it's great for cleansing the scalp and the hair, I'm not going to add any shampoo to my hair. Can you see? So, oh, my hair is so tangled at the tip. Can you see some things there? Wait guys, see my hand. It's oh God, it's messy, but it's gonna be worth it at the end, guys. So I'm going to continue off camera so that it will be faster, because I'm afraid of getting it into my eyes. If this thing gets to your eyes, you're in trouble. So I'm scared. So let me do it and I'll get back to you guys. So I'm done with applying it to my hair. Let's see if you can see a closer look how it looks. My coils are coming out and my hair is pretty detangled, but I'm going to wash it off. So it feels a little bit sandy to me, so I think it's going to be a great scalp exfoliator. And my scalp is dirty, so as I'm scrubbing it, I can feel like it's like as if there's soap in my hair. Don't get into my eyes. So I'm going to wash it off now, and then I'll get back to you. So I'm not going to be using any shampoo or conditioner, just the Shikakai powder for washing my hair, and then I'll get back to you. If the hair is too dry or I feel it's not enough, I'm going to add some. I might do a deep conditioner, or something. Let's see. But this is how it looks now. Shikakai powder is good. I like how it feels. You can see my coils popping, and it's not too bad, I think. Let's see if my hair is going to feel completely washed. If I wash my hair, it's going to feel clean. This powder is very, very messy. Very, very messy. Very, very messy. So at the end of the day, I might end up cleaning the whole bathroom because of this powder. Because it's a mess, guys, and this dries straight to the laundry. Because it's a total mess. But at the end of the day, no pain, no gain. So let me wash my hair and I'll get back to you. I'm just washing my hand because I hate the feeling of sand. It's feeling sandy, so I hate it. So I'm just washing my hand. So I'll get back to you after washing my hair. Okay guys, bye. So guys, I just finished having my bath. It took me a longer time to wash it out of my hair. I won't lie. It took me, I don't know how long I spent in the bathroom, but it was much longer than before, because the Shikakai powder was just like everywhere, and the bathroom is so dirty. The whole bathroom, I have to wash the floors, the walls and everything. But we're going to try it some other time again, and by adding into other Ayurvedic powders like fenugreek and amla. That's the two I have. So this is my third Ayurvedic powder, okay, as well as moringa, neem. I still have a lot, so I'm going to try and add them together to form like a hair mask, and then see how that goes. But for now, I find it's nice. It's really washed my hair. My scalp feels really, really clean. So let me not talk. Let me just reveal it. So this is it, guys. see, so this is my hair straight out of the bathroom. It's not bad at all. I don't know if you can. So guys, my scalp is really clean and my hair feels really soft. This is a game changer. My hair genuinely feels soft. You know, when I was washing the Shikakai out of my hair, it got to a point I felt like, is the Shikakai still there? Because my hair felt so soft under the water. It was really soft than before. So like, maybe it's still there, and I keep on washing and washing. And I got to a stage because I was expecting it that after a while my hair will feel dry. Then I'll know that the Shikakai was out of my hair, but it's continuing to feel soft. And even out of the shower, out of the water, it still feels soft. So guys, I'm loving it. It's not a bad idea again, apart from the messiness and also how sandy it was. It was messy, guys. Apart from that, I don't think it's a bad idea. I'm going to try it again as a hair mask with my other Ayurvedic powder. So this is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and share. So if you've ever used Shikakai powder before, please leave a comment down below and tell me how you use yours. And also if you haven't, also leave a comment and let's talk about Shikakai powder. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye bye.